In this video, we are going to learn the exact way to take trades using order blocks. We are going to learn how to identify and correctly mark out your order blocks, break of structure, and how to refine them on lower time frame in order to get a more healthy risk to reward. We are also going to learn how to correctly mark out your market structure. Make sure you stick to the end of the video because in it are lots of gems that were dropped that will help improve your trading entirely. Do well to watch other videos. Thanks for. Hello people, so we are here again. Since morning I did not see any setup. The chart has been printing something unfamiliar. And you know, whenever the chart prints something that you cannot recognize at once, leave it. You are seeing it now. When it prints something that is not what you are used to, you must not trade. Leave it. Allow the chart to realign itself. Once you are trading out of alignment with the chart, you will lose money. Are you seeing it now? So just leave it. After a while, maybe after a day or after some hours, go and check again. It may give you something, but don't force things on the chart. Are you seeing it now? You cannot force the chart to do what you want to do. The market does not operate according to your timeline. You have to align to it. You must be the one to align to it. If you don't align to it, you're going to lose money. Are you seeing it now? So you have to trade in alignment to the market. Okay, so in the morning I checked, I didn't see anything. I left it. Are you seeing it now? So now I just said, okay, let me just. In fact, I was opening my chat. My intention was to have a talk on psychology. So I checked, and then what I first saw, the chart that was open in front of me was, oh, market is approaching a zone that I drew, which was this zone. I drew this expecting market to fulfill. Market gave me 1, 2, that is, it gave me external liquidity sweep. It gave me a break of structure with an order block here. So I was expecting market to come here. When I saw this, market was around here. Are you seeing it now? So it never did. I left it. Okay, I left it. Then this morning I saw when market was around here, but it was not something clean. It's not something I would love to trade, so I left it. If I would have taken it if market had come here, but it was not clean, so I just left it. Okay, I left it. I said I'm not trading. It's better I preserve my capital. Are you seeing it now? Because when you are taking trades that don't make sense, it is not just money capital you are spending. You are spending emotional capital. Are you seeing it now? And that is very expensive. Okay, emotional capital, managing that position, seeing it will blind you from seeing other good trades. Are you seeing it now? So I just left it. Now I came this afternoon and I think I'm seeing something that I recognize. Are you seeing it now? Have a system you trade with that you recognize. Trade it every day. If you don't see it, leave it. It will save you a lot. This week, today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. I have only taken one new trade. That was yesterday's trade on Tuesday that I woke up this morning to see that it had been invalidated. That was a loss. Are you seeing it now? The other takes silver trade. What silver trade? The trade that AED card. Yes, that I took a 4-hour profit on. That trade I think since last week, since on Friday. I set my limit order on Friday for it. It was on Monday that I took partials. Are you seeing it now? So what am I trying to say in essence? You have to get to a point where it is just one way you trade. You recognize it very well. Are you seeing it? And you follow it at all times. Because even from experience, if you refuse to follow it, you will run at loss. You keep running at loss until you just have one way. Because market is random, so you can't be random. The best bet for you to beat that market is to wait. and not be random, to have one single way of approaching it. Are you seeing it now? One single way of approaching it, and you approach it that way every other time. Once you have become stable, consistent, then profitability will enter. You cannot be a consistently profitable trader until you are consistent. Okay, so you have to be consistent. One way, one setup at all times. Are you seeing it now? So now let's dive into this GBP USD setup that I'm seeing. Let me delete everything we have here. So when I opened the chart, this is what I was seeing. Are you seeing it now? And it's something I annotated, I think on Monday or last week. It was on Monday where I annotated that. So here we have this. Let me, in one of my videos, I think I even, yes, in one of my videos, I did this outlook on one of my videos here, but price did not go there, so I left it. And that outlook is still valid. So let's start afresh again. Let's start again. So why will I be taking this trade? I've placed a limit order already on it. Let's look at the market structure from here. High, low. I did the same thing in the video. Higher high, not this, because this is not produce high. This is higher low. Are you seeing it now? You won't use this as a higher low because this higher low could not produce a high. So you come to the last one, higher low. Then you have a higher high. I'm taking this higher high because there's a closure. Look at this level now. There's a closure above it. So this is a higher high. It's a small higher low. Are you seeing it now? A higher high. Are you seeing it now? Market could not make, and then market structure is shifted bearish. Are you seeing it now? Then it's now going low. You are seeing it now. So let's so why would I be continuing with this trade? The other block that caused this, let me mark everything I need to mark first. So let me point at them first. So there's a high, an external liquidity sweep. Market has swept this high, right, and then turned around to break structure impulsively. What is causing this break of structure is this other block here. Are you seeing it now? And as you can see, that other block has not been fully mitigated. Are you seeing it now? This is 1 hour time frame. The real movement started on 15 minutes time frame. It has not been mitigated. We are going to see it. So let me mark the external liquidity sweep here. This is the external liquidity sweep. Okay. Then we have our break of structure. That's our break of structure. So the other block that caused that, let's mark on the 1 hour time frame first. So we'll now refine to 15 minutes. So I've gotten the 3 things I want to see on 1 hour time frame, is it not? I've gotten the 3 things I want to see. I want to see an external liquidity sweep, break of structure, and then whatever caused that break of structure, which is an other block. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame to refine. Oh, this rectangle is black. Let's put something that you can see easily on extended bar. You can see, so that other block, inside this 1 hour other block, we can refine to get the actual spot. And this is what I'm taking as the actual spot. This green candle, because it's higher than this third candle. So I'm picking this as my order block, my actual order block. So I'm going to refine to that order block. So I'm refining to that other block. So I'll mark it like this. Let me extend it. So this is it. Okay, so you can see that the other block has not been mitigated. Okay. So we have everything we want on 1 hour time frame. I've marked that. On 15 minutes time frame, I've marked that. So now what do I want to see? I want to see inducement. I want to see that while price was returning back to it, I want to see that while price was returning back to it, it did a fake market structure shift, and then to induce early buyers, that is inducement, then it will come, tap on it and drop. The same thing I do every day, every time. Are you seeing it now? So, and looking at it very closely, you find I can see this as inducement, this place, this here as inducement, because look at it, as market came here, came down, went up, did a fake market structure shift, it closed below this low that did that push. Are you seeing it now? Fake market structure shift. Are you seeing it now? And then continued up, so it's likely going to hold. Are you seeing it now? So that's why I'm taking the trade, because I can find inducement, and it's possible market create another inducement again before getting there. Okay, but I'm going ahead to put my limit order. Simple, the same thing I do every day. And why I can take it, it's a valid one, because from the other block, from this other block to the last place our price got to, it is above the 50%. Are you seeing it now? You can see it has even gotten to 75% of the range. So from this place to this place, see where the inducement was formed. It was formed above 50% of it. Are you seeing it now? I'm even thinking it is going to form around here too. So it's a good inducement, it's a valid inducement. So let's mark our inducement. I'm almost sure price will give another one inducement. Some people, because it's still closer to here, I'm sure price will give another inducement around here. But let's mark this one that is valid, and that's why I was able to place my limit order. That's inducement. Let me put it on top. Top inducement. Then we have an inducement break of structure. I had to zoom large to investigate to see whether it actually broke. Yes, you can see there's a closure. I don't know if you are. Look at this break of what I'm regarding as the break of structure. You can see the market close, this red candle close below it. So that's my inducement break of structure. So we have our inducement break of structure here. You can see that the red candle is still below it. So that's my inducement break of structure. I'm sure it's trying to form another inducement here. So are you seeing it now? So that's just the setup. I go ahead, put my pending order here. I usually don't use the other block direct. Let me show you where, because I don't like waiting for trade and then getting a missed entry. So this is what I do. You can see that this is where the other block is. I'll just come and put this small fair value gap. I'll just come below here. So I'm sure price will either just come to the fair value gap there. There's a balanced price range here. These two intersecting fair value gap, price will come there. So I'll just put my entry at just before the end of the tip of this candle, just at the tip here, before the gap. I'll just put it there. Are you seeing it now? There's no way price is not going to tap into it. And then it does not have to be too tight. Sometimes just little cents, leave it. Are you seeing it now? Place your entry where is say that you'll not be crying, it left me, market went without it. Doesn't, market never goes without me. Are you seeing it now? And I cut my quotes according to my size. So just put my entry here. You're seeing it now. So that's the trade, simple. And why I'm targeting this place, I'm seeing there's an order block here that I feel that market has not really mitigated. I feel the market has not really mitigated that other block. I feel market has not really mitigated that other block, because even while price was approaching it, there was no inducement. So market has not yet used it. I don't know if you understand what I mean. If market wanted to really bounce off using this is another block. Is it? Sorry, let me look at it very well. Yes, okay, let's just say this is another block. If market wanted to use this other block, while it was returning to it, because that was what I would have taken this buy, but I could not find any inducement. While market was returning to it, it did not give us any fake market structure shift. Can you see it now? No closure. So it did not give us any fake market structure shift. So I said, no, I can't take this one. There's no inducement. Are you seeing it now? So I feel market will still come back to it. Are you seeing it now? So I'm feeling that the whole of this buy move is the inducement. Are you seeing it now? That the market comes back, if market is going to come back to it, then it will use it. Are you seeing it now? But there's another block here. So you can see how I framed my buyers. There's an unmitigated order block here, and then there's one here. So price can use this, send down, and there's even one below here. Okay, there's one below here, and then following market structure, market is currently selling for me. Okay, so that's the setup, guys. That's the setup for me. So let's see how it plays out. Now this is for educational purpose. Now look at my stop. My stop is above this external high. This is protected. If market come here, is invalidated. I don't want to be in the market again. It hits my stop loss. Are you seeing it now? So that's where my stop loss is. And then I target internal liquidity here. Simple. Are you seeing it now? So let's see how it plays out. Okay, so please do well to like, subscribe to the channel. Are you seeing it? Subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications so that when I drop content like this, you will be notified. Because you can see this is an almost signal. I'm not calling it a signal. So it's for educational purpose. But if you decide to use it, risk an amount that you are ready to lose and not feel bad about it. Are you seeing it now? Or trade it on a demo account, but it is not a financial advice. Okay, it's for educational purpose. I'm doing it for educational purpose, strictly on for educational purpose. So that's the setup, guys. And then okay, I told you people about the update for the AUD New Zealand dollar yesterday. My outlook for it, the trade was invalidated yesterday. You can see it. So I woke up this morning to see that okay, it was invalidated. It was a loss, and that was probably the only trade I took, fresh trade this week. And I don't risk more than 0.5%. No matter how good it looks, the same risk, and the amount is boring. Are you seeing it? Boring. The amount is boring. The profit is boring. So it does not trigger my emotion in any way. Are you seeing it now? So I hope you've picked up a lot of gems in this video. Okay. All right. So see you